Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Steve, the Idaho Fabricator, and today, kind of a special video. I was looking through some old pictures, and way back in 2012, Sally and I, we found an old Ford pickup. It was a 1948 F100, and she really liked that truck.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but it had two features that made it like you gotta have. And what were those features?
Had to be an automatic and power steering.
Okay, automatic and power steering. So this truck had those. The previous owner had started the restoration on it, or rejuvenation, and I guess lost interest. They did the interior,
Which was beautiful.
which was nice, yeah, and everything else was pretty sketchy.
Yeah, that's to say the least.
It was sketchy. It wouldn't really drive. The gas tank had, it looked like an underground cavern with all the rust things hanging from the tank. And the fuel, oh, man, it
Nasty.
smelled nasty. It's like old funky kerosene mixed with gas. It was bad.
And I drove it home from the previous owner on a wing and a prayer. Amazing it made it, but it did.
Yeah, made it home. And so that was in, what, 2012?
Mm-hmm.
And so then I embarked on the process. The idea was, let's get it running, and then I'll work on it. I got 4 fenders for the back, and I was able to make 2 good ones out of 4 fenders. And I got 2 old bed sides for, or 4 bed sides for it, and anyway, was able to figure it out and get it all fixed so it looked really good. It did have one custom feature that was pretty cool, and that was a previous owner had stretched the cab 5 inches. So it was a 1948 F100 extended cab,
Yeah.
which was kind of cool. And they did a pretty good job on it. I did have to do some metal magic with a hammer and a dolly to get it really nice. But today's video, it's just a collection of photographs. There's a couple of videos in there, and just kind of show you the process of restoring Sally's truck so she could enjoy it. And she named her truck. What'd you name your truck?
I named her Ruby because of her color.
Yeah. So, and you'll see that in the video. It was a fun project. And I guess that's it. Without further ado.
Well, we no longer have Ruby.
Oh, that's right.
And the reason is, even though I loved her, I decided to sell her so I could give that money to you. You could put it towards your 53. And Ruby now lives in Canada, with a family that was so excited to get her. So it was a good thing, although I was really glad I wasn't home when she was hauled away, because that would have been tough for me.
Yeah, it was a nice, fun project. And I am going to do another project for you.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you've got your eyes on
A COE.
a COE, or a cab over engine. So
Yeah.
we're going to do that, or we're looking for it. We'll find the right one. And Ruby was the fine contributor to my 500 horsepower LS3.
Yes, she paid for that.
So thanks, Ruby, for that. And let's get on to the video. Enough talking. Let's show you what happened and how it happened. So
Sounds good.
get comfortable. Enjoy the video. Square tube. It's an easy way to put shocks on without the bed. Just giving you an update. Here's the fenders with high build primer on them after the epoxy. And I don't know if you can tell, but they look pretty good. And here's the tailgate. And the bed. So anyway, I gotta hit it with some 320, smooth it out, and then put some color on it. Okay. Hey guys, here's the how the exhaust exits on the truck. Kind of goes down at an angle, and up and over the differential, both sides. And then on the other side of the differential, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, that's what it looks like there. And then, kind of a bad video, I guess, but here's what it looks like coming out of the side of the truck. Just at a little bit of an angle, just see a little bit of chrome, so.